Hi, my name is Gourav. My full name is Kumar Gourav. Currently, I'm working for Infosys. Before that, I've been working for ML IT, and before that, I've been working with Amazon. So, Infosys I've recently joined. It's been 3 months since I've joined as a QA, and it's going great. Yeah. And then I have also I've done my BTech from SM University, Chennai, in IT, and I've been passed out at 2019. So basically, this is about me and about my career. Actually, I've joined Amazon in 2021, and after like as a manual tester. So I had no idea about this automation thing. So when I've joined it after like 2 years already have been passed, then I have got to know about this automation things like this testing is happening in Selenium and all we can automate those test scripts and all. So and that is what future is. So and the most of the jobs like 90% testing jobs are there in Selenium and in automation, and it's not in manual. So anyhow, so that was the point when it got triggered, like okay, I have to learn automation and I have to enroll somewhere where I can also get projects, live projects and all, so where I can have my hands on those projects, so I can upskill myself. And I have found like there's a platform named Crio where I can actually do some real time projects and live projects which can help me on my CV as well. So that is how my journey started with Cryo, and it's been a great journey. Like I have learned a lot, and the teachers and the faculties all always so good, so understanding and so knowledgeable. Also they have like the support system, customer services where like they are always on time, they are always ready to help 24/7. So whenever I had any doubts, they have helped me on in each and every step. So yeah, I think like Cryo have done a great job over there, and it also helped me to upskill myself so I can get a good job and get transition on my career from manual to automation. So there's a multiple projects which I've worked on over there, but my favorite one where I have actually gained knowledge about so many things, deep dived it, debug and all from scratch I've done, that is QCart. So that QCart application was actually very helpful, and at that time I was in Amazon, so I have known those kind of platform, those kind of applications where I can actually work on, and which will also help me to transition in my career, right? So Amazon is also a shopping, like it's also an e-commerce based application, and QCart is similar to that. So I grasped it well, and on that basis like it helped me from like I had some idea about how to add a product and how to go to the cart, then like do the executions and all. So those things helped me, and QCart actually I can tell, yeah, that is one app which actually helped me in making me like valuable things, like gain me a lot of knowledge on that. And apart from that, there's also a redbus.in, and then there was a calculator. Okay, so QCalc was also there. So those things also helped me a lot to learning like basics and to learning some extra skills on that, to how to automate those things. Yeah, definitely I had some doubts at the starting point, like whenever like money is invested, then we have that thought either if I can excel, give my best on this or not, if I've been made for this or not. So those kind of stuff I had some doubts on myself. But as they have taught, as they have gone through the sessions, as they have gone through all the like classes and all, so those actually helped me a lot, and they have taught each and every detail which are actually very much important for automation. See, I can tell you about Java. So they have taught Java on that basis, which can actually help us get started with the automation thing. And on Selenium they have also like has also made that kind of algorithm which can actually gain you that kind of knowledge on very easy basis, which where people will find it very easy to understand. So they have those algorithms, they have those recordings and all, if you have not understood in this. So and you have to give your proper time, right? And they also have the fixed time, so you have to learn every day for 1 or 2 hours, and then if you have missed it, then you can go through the recordings as well. And so that is how it helped. And yeah, I also had a doubt about the job referrals and all. Yeah, so that is also one thing is pending, but still, but I know I can get it. See, I'm still not the SDET thing, like I'm still not in SDET designation or something, but I think I can work on that as well. Because, and one thing like Crio does is like they gave you the access for every recordings and every sessions which we have been through till now, so I can go through it and I can clear my doubts anytime I want. Yeah, so that is the main point where we actually think like, yeah, the session is getting too far. Still I have a lot of time. Some people don't have patience actually. Like on what happened with me, like I have so much of craze to transition from, I need to switch from one company to other, and from manual to automation. So I was not getting through. I'm not getting any opportunities and all. So I've been like, okay, I will do this course and then I will transition to a new field or to a new project or something. But what happens is like it takes time. Whatever, like whenever you do something good, so you have to be very patient, and then you have to give your time on regular basis. You can't miss anything, because this is something new which if you miss it, then it's like okay, then you have to revise it again. Then you cannot actually go till like, okay, you can cope up with the coming sessions and all. So before that, you make sure that you have to go through all the previous sessions and you have made everything clear from the past sessions. So it will help you on your next session. So you have any doubts, you can clear it with your customer success team or your technical teams if you're facing any issues with it, right? So we have the platforms 24/7 working. So those are the things. And people who don't have, I can understand, like if you have like gone through a lot of in a phase where you applied a lot of jobs but you're not getting it, and you also don't have time, you think you don't have any time, right? Because this is a time where you need to switch, you need a better package and all. So on that basis, like, people think like, okay, I don't want to do it, I can search off my own or something, I will just fake it. But fake doesn't work, right? You have to be skillful to to reach somewhere. So yeah, I had some doubts, but it was okay, until unless you're consistent with your job. If it's not been Crio, then I didn't have come through any idea like something like I can transition my career in this very role actually. Because for testing purpose, if I can say, it's like I have always heard about manual, and that human intervention is always, it will always be there, okay? But 90% things can be automated, but 10% things always be human intervened. And also I've seen, like when I have searched about it, so I have got like this Crio ad in my Insta handle or somewhere. Okay, I've got this ad, and then I've researched about it, and I found this platform as a best to get through. So I've given it a try, and it turned out like, yeah, I'm in a better position now. One thing, give yourself time. Whenever you are free, just try to learn things, try to recall all those things which you have learned. If you're a working guy who needs to spend like 9 to 5 job, who is stuck in 9 to 5 job, then also we are every time we are in our system, right? So what I have done is like, I have gone through it. I have gone through whenever I got the time, so I just deep dive into my system, in my office system I'm talking about, and just going through the debug options, and then I'm trying to get those XPaths and APIs calls and all, so how it is working. So I've been using some AIs as well, tools to make me understand how it's actually working. So whenever you are finding some time, just recall those things, try to understand, try to learn things, try to keep learning, and memorize it if possible. Okay, so some things you have to, and how the end-to-end flow algorithms, you have to learn those things and memorize it. So yeah, you have to give your time, and apart from the classes I'm talking about.